What is a stock? Is it this? Is it short for stalker? In this video, you're gonna find out what exactly a stock is, so stay tuned. What's up everybody? Welcome to Live Free with Caleb D. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we talk about everything and anything related to personal finance. So please, if you like that kind of content, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. My volume is a little low because it's like 3 in the morning right now, and I don't want to wake up my neighbors or my wife, so bear with me. Stocks. We've all heard this word before. It's usually associated with getting rich and big corporations. And that usually scares people or it really excites people. I'm here to tell you that investing isn't what you think it really is. Investing in stocks shouldn't be a scary ordeal, and it shouldn't be a quick way to make a quick buck. Investing in stocks is actually quite simple. You just need to understand what it is. Now I want to preface by saying this. Although it is easy to understand, it's a lot of information to take in. So that's why I'm going to break down investing in stocks over the next couple of videos. So what is a stock? A stock is a share of ownership within a company. To dumb it down even further, you own pieces or fractions of a company. That's it. It's very simple. At this point, you're probably wondering, why on earth would a company sell equity of their company to random investors? Well, it's to raise money. For example, let's say I want to start an engineering company and I need $100,000 to do it. However, I only have $10,000. I don't want to take out a loan, so what do? I issue stock. I need $100,000, I only have 10. So I need $90,000 to be able to start my company. And let's say I decide to split the stock or shares of a company by 10. So it means I have $10,000, now I need 9 other investors to help me reach my goal of $100,000. So I each issue them one stock costing $10,000. Now between the 10 of us, with myself included, we each have a 10% share or equity of the company. I want to be clear. The number of stocks or the number of shares is not the same thing as saying I have equity within a company. Equity is the portion or the percentage of the entire value, and a share is dependent on the company. So let me break it down a little further. In this example, I broke down my company into 10 different shares. However, the investors paid $10,000 worth of the shares, which was 1. So let's say I decide to break down my company into 100 shares. The investors will still have the same amount of equity because they're paying $10,000. They're getting more shares, but they're not getting more equity because equity is just the sum of the number of shares that I purchased. If you have any questions, if that's not clear, please comment down below if you want me to explain this a little further. Now let's get back to the example. How do you make money with stocks? Well, you make money when the value of the company goes up. So to the previous example, each investor had $10,000 worth of shares or equity because the value was initially at $100,000. So each of them had a 10% share or stake within the company. Let's say the company now is valued at $500,000 or $500,000. My stake hasn't changed because I didn't buy more or I didn't sell anything. So now each investor has 10% of $500,000, and 10% of $500,000 is $50K. And you only make money when you sell your portion or pieces of your portion or your equity. That's how you make money. We'll say investor number 4 decided to sell his share. He made a $40,000 profit. And that's how you make money on stocks. And it's quite simple. And it's the same thing if the value of the company decreases, then you're losing money. So it goes both ways. And you only lose money when you decide to sell. Ladies and gents, this is the most basic information regarding stocks, investing in stocks. I'm not here for the seasoned investor. I am for the beginner who wants to learn, who wants to be armed with financial knowledge so that they can make better financial decisions for the future. Because I think it's important that we educate, especially in the minority communities. I think, for me personally, don't come at me for this. I think the reason why that we are suffering from all this systematic oppression is because we don't arm ourselves with information that can propel us forward. At the end of the day, it's all about the money. So please, if you're new to investing, if you're new to personal finance, please subscribe to this channel. It will really help you grow and help you make better decisions for the future and build generational wealth. And hopefully we can change the narrative within the minority community. Anyways, guys, please, that's all I have for today. Please stay tuned. I have way more information, guys. There's information that will last me years for me to teach. In next video, we're gonna build on this. So please stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Holla at your boy.